Ang dami nagsasabi na ito daw ang best unli samgyeopsal in the metro. I mean, look at that thick cut of pork or aged samgyeopsal. And meron pa silang pa-certification proving that they're the best in terms of their marination. And alam nyo, in fairness, lasang-lasa sa kanilang galbi. They will even cook your first batch of meats for you. We went here, by the way, on a weekday, and do note that they are still in soft opening. And I think for me, you can't deny Wolba Galbi with their marination certification and aged samgyeopsal. This is what really makes them stand out. So we availed their gold course kasi popular talaga sila sa galbisal nila and sa aged samgyeopsal. And it already includes the variety of meat from chicken, pork, and beef. Refillable banchans, of course. May sundubu jjigae pa nakasama. And of course, unlimited drinks. And as someone nakakagaling na ng Seoul and ang dami ko samgyeopsal na nakain, medyo tumaas yung standards natin when it comes to samgyeopsal mismo. In fairness, bibigyan nila kayo ng Seoul dining experience. Sa first batch ng meats nyo, sila yung magluluto for you. And very informative kasi tuturo nila where to dip your meats. When it comes to quality, I say super solid nung gold upgrade. Kasi grabe, yung aged samgyeopsal pa lang nila, super tender. For an only restaurant, very similar sa mga aged samgyeopsal that I had in Seoul. Galing, I was pretty impressed. Sarap din talaga ng marination ng galbi and napaka-tender. Kasi the spoon is enough to cut through the meat. Banchans were all pretty good and solid. Naka-favorite ko dito is yung parang kamote cube. And even their Korean fried chicken is good. In light, flaky, and crispy batter. One thing that I didn't like lang is the rice kasi medyo buhagag siya. And sana mas cheesy mismong cheese. We went here on a weekday so super ice ang service. And as per checking my comments on Instagram, medyo mixed yung feedback when it comes to service. And I do hope they can make improvements kasi Wola Galbi has all the potential. Enjoy!